Good morning, students. Now, last time we had started the lesson verbs expressing past, right? Now we had finished present perfect form and present perfect uses, right? Over here, up to this exercise, we had finished. Now, let us start with the next exercise, that is exercise 6. Rewrite the following passage using present perfect tense of verbs in the brackets given. My friend Dr. R.K. Sethi dedicate his life to the service of the old people. इसका प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट फॉर्म हमें यूज़ करना है, सो इट विल बिकम हैज़ डेडिकेटेड. मिस्टर सेठी अकेले के बारे में बात हो रही है, सो इज़ अ सिंगल पर्सन, सो यू हैव टू यूज़ हैज़ डेडिकेटेड हिज वाइफ to the service of the old people. Mr. Lal said to his daughter Mania, he dash up an old age home by the name Ayudham. Set है, set का यूज़ करना है. Has been setting up, he has been setting up an old age home by the name Ayudham in a small village near Najafgarh, Delhi. He dash a home-like environment for the old people. He has created a home-like environment for the old people nobody takes care of. He dash for decent medical care for them. Has also been providing. Also provide का क्या हो जाएगा? Has also been providing for a decent medical care for them. Dash is single-handed. He do. So she is asking a question, Mania. So how will you start a present perfect question? Has he done it single-handed? Right? Now what is the answer? Since it is a noble task, replied Mr. Lal, his friends have generously supported him. They not only contributed का हो जाएगा, they have been not only contributing money but also have given valuable suggestions. You will be surprised that Amir Khan feature का करना है has featured Ayudham in his popular program Satyamev Jayate. The entire enterprise really impressed him. Has really impressed him. किसको impress किया है? आमिर खान को. Dash the government help? Asked Mania. Has the government helped? That is what she is asking. Okay, then he has not approached the government. तो क्या करोगे? He has not approached the government, said Mr. Lal. Simple. Now this exercise is over. So let us start with simple past or present perfect जिसको बोलते हैं. They are mostly parallel. We use simple past to express an action which took place at some moment in the past and is not linked with the present. I purchased a laptop last year. Past, present, like there is no link. The action of purchasing the laptop has no link with the present. If a past action is linked with the present, we express it in present perfect tense. अगर लिंक होता है तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट यूज़ करते हैं. आई हैव परचेस्ड अ लैपटॉप, राइट. पास्ट और प्रेजेंट के बीच में एक लिंक होता है, दैट इज़ वाई वी यूज़ हैव परचेस्ड. सो इसमें the verb that is used is in the past tense form and उसके आगे हम लोग have, has a supporting verb और auxiliary verb लगाते हैं. Then it becomes present perfect tense, right? So I can work much faster now. I have purchased a laptop. तो उसका work के साथ में relation हुआ, right? Note, we should not use any time expression. We should not use any time expression denoting the past time with the present perfect tense. It would be wrong to say, our school has won this tournament last year. Say, our school won this tournament last year. Both simple past and present perfect express past actions. Simple past, a past action not linked with the present. Present perfect, a past action linked with the present. Do not use any time expression denoting the past with the present perfect tense, right? Do not use any time denotion. So write down, these are the important points. Please write it. How you use it, the simple present perfect tense, how do you use it? This is important, right? These points also you write down, they are important. I purchased a laptop last year which has a relation with the present circumstances. Okay, now we are moving on to the exercise. Exercise 7. Rewrite the following sentences using the simple past or the present perfect tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Now the first one, the air hostess dash the doors of the plane. Lock का यूज करना है. The air hostess had locked, right? इसमें simple past और present perfect tense दोनों जो ज़रूरत है वो यूज़ करना है. It is soon going to take off. तो उसका हो जाएगा it was soon going to take off. So the air hostess had locked all the doors of the plane. You understand the lesson, right? Have you understood the lesson? The teacher is asking. I have brought some comprehension questions for you to answer. I am sure you will find them quite easy. Dash the teacher, said the teacher. Say का said हो जाएगा. I am sorry, I dash your water bottle. Not see का हो जाएगा. Have not seen. I have not seen your water bottle. Perhaps you dash leave का हो जाएगा left. Left it in the playground. When you last dash water from it. When you last dash water from it का क्या हो जाएगा? Drunk हो जाएगा. It will be drunk. Drunk. Drunk is a past tense of drink, right? When you last drunk water from it. When I dash a child, B का हो जाएगा was. When I was a child, my father take का हो जाएगा took me to visit almost all the historical places of Delhi. But I dash seen dash the red fort yet. But I have not seen the red fort yet. सारे monuments मैंने देख लिए but red fort नहीं देखा है. Then the next one, a customer dash to the shop early in the morning and dash our 4 loaves of bread. Come का हो जाएगा came. A customer came to the shop early in the morning and buy का हो जाएगा bought 4 loaves of bread. Your performance is in most of the subjects is good, but why dash you secure? Why have you secured हो जाएगा red है हाँ यहाँ पे. Why have you secured poor grades in science? Doctor, I am sorry for disturbing you so early in the morning. My father suddenly has suddenly slipped in the bathroom and I am afraid he dash hurt his right leg. Has hurted, right? Or it becomes is has hurted his right leg. Now let us do this past perfect form. I, we, you, he, she, it and they all should go with had, because past perfect में had होता है, present में have has होता है, right? had not और hadn't. Not का short form is had को nt लगाते हैं. Played और question पूछते हैं हम. We start the question with had. Had I, we, you, he, she, it or they played question mark at the end. Had they played, had she played, had he played, had we played, right? That way. Had I played. Okay, now past perfect uses. The past perfect tense is used to express an action completed before a given moment in the past, right? An action which is completed before a given moment. मतलब कोई moment आपको अभी बोला है ये moment से पहले वो काम complete हो गया है, उसको link करने के लिए past perfect use करते हैं. The message came after he had left the office. कब मैसेज आया? जब वो ऑफिस में से निकल गया तब, राइट? ही लेफ्ट द ऑफिस and the message came. There is a relation between the both. After, right? This is the word which shows relation. So this is in past perfect tense. The security forces had reached the airport before the plane landed. कब reach किया उन्होंने airport? Before the plane landed. So before is showing the relation between these two clauses. It is used with such verbs as hope, expect, think, mean, suppose, want, etc. to suggest that an expected past action did not take place. We had hoped that most of the guests would come, but they didn't. I had thought of inviting and at least my close friends. I had thought of inviting at least my close friends, but I didn't. सोचा था, thought, right? But मैंने किया नहीं, right? So today I'm keeping the video short as you have your exams approaching. I'm keeping it only for 10 to 12 minutes. Write down all the important points which I have made you underline, and the exercises. This exercise you'll have to write it down in your notebook because paragraph में नहीं कर सकते, fill in the blanks होता है, तो I allow it here only. इसको लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But write down all the important points and these paragraphs which we have done as answers in your notebook. We stop here today. We keep it short today. Then next time I'll keep a longer video. Right? Okay.